Make a great choice today with the 2014 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, power brakes, braking assist, voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front knee, heads-up display. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.